Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Instagram story video quality. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here you're gonna find your profile section. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to your profile page. And then once you do that, click on the icon in the top right corner. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. Here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Instagram account. So right now, scroll a little bit down until you find your app and media. So once you find your app and media, here under it, you're going to find device permissions, archiving and downloading, accessibility and translation, language, data usage and media quality. And lastly, here you're going to find app website permissions. So right now, go ahead and click on data usage and media quality. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to enable the data saver. Make sure you turn the data saver off. And then under it, you're going to find media upload quality. You're going to find it disabled. So make sure you enable this option to always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, will automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. So once you enable this option, you're going to be able to always upload the highest quality possible stories, videos, reels, or even regular posts. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.